In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the official login page, enter your details safely, and use alternative sign-in options if you've linked them before. First, open your browser and go straight to the official login page at https://www.etoro.com login. Type it directly into your address bar rather than clicking random links. Before you proceed, take a second to verify you're on the real site. The address should start with https, show a padlock icon, and the domain should be eToro.com with correct spelling. This quick check helps you avoid fake pages and phishing attempts that try to capture your credentials. If you plan to return often, consider bookmarking this page so you don't have to rely on search results or ads that could lead somewhere unsafe. Once the login screen loads, you'll see two fields. In the first one, enter the email address or username you used when you registered your account. In the second, type your eToro password. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check for extra spaces, the correct capitalization, and whether caps lock is on. If you use a reputable password manager, you can let it fill in your credentials, but only after confirming you're on the official eToro.com domain. When everything looks correct, click Sign In. The page will process your request and then take you to your account's main area. If you prefer not to type your password and you've previously connected a third-party login to your eToro account, you can use an alternative method from the same page. Look for the buttons to continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. Clicking one will open a secure window where you select your account and confirm the sign-in. As long as that account is already linked to your eToro profile and matches the email you use there, you'll be signed in seamlessly. If it's not linked yet, simply return to the standard email or username and password fields. A couple of quick security reminders here. Always start from the official login link, avoid logging in through unexpected emails or messages, and keep your browser up to date so security features work properly. For future convenience and safety, rely on your bookmark of the official page. That's all there is to it. Go to https://www.etoro.com/login, confirm you're on the secure etoro.com site, enter your registered email or username and your password, click Sign In, or use Google, Apple, or Facebook if you've already linked them. Thanks for watching and happy investing.